Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm super excited to show you waterfront property here in New Braunfels, Texas. This subdivision is called Legacy at Lake Dunlap, and we are going to look at some amazing builders in this great neighborhood. So stay tuned. Legacy at Lake Dunlap is a master plan community with 5 reputable builders. So if you are wanting that waterfront property but still want the close amenities, the city life, you are looking here at Legacy at Lake Dunlap. It sits in New Braunfels, but it sits on Highway 46 between New Braunfels and Seguin, closer to New Braunfels. So if that's something you're looking for, only about 30 minutes from downtown San Antonio. So there is so much to offer. And as you know, New Braunfels, Texas has world-class shopping. Of course, it has Schlitterbahn, the hottest, coolest time in Texas. So yes, it has that. It has Landa Park, which is just a huge draw for me. I love Landa Park, and so it is very close to that. This subdivision also is in Colmau ISD, and I worked there for a while as a principal, and I will say it is a very reputable school district. Great extracurricular, great activities, wonderful AP dual credit classes. If you're looking to be college ready, Colmau ISD can make that happen. So let's take a look. So here in this subdivision, guys, we have 5 builders. We have Monticello, we have Toll Brothers, Perry Homes, Pulte Homes, and Highland Homes. And so we're not going to go into all of them because that would take forever. But if you look at some of my other videos, you can see Perry Homes, which is in a lot of my videos. But today we're going to go into Toll Brothers and we're going to go into Pulte Homes, so you can see what those homes have to offer. Now, do they have move-in ready right now? Yes. So first of all, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you tap the bell so you can get all of the information about the San Antonio metropolitan real estate area. I shoot and I sell anywhere from Marion, St. Hedwig, Seguin, of course, San Antonio, Bernie, Bulverde, just any area that you want. And so a lot of these builders that I show you, they have other neighborhoods in other areas. So if maybe, I don't know why, but maybe you don't want waterfront, then we could find you the right location, which is very important. My name is Jana Cervantes, and I'm with Cervantes Dream Homes, and I talk to people like you every day who want to make a move, whether it's from a different location here in the state of Texas, or it's from California, Georgia, Italy, whatever it is. I want to be the one that helps you. So make sure that you reach out to me, that you schedule a Zoom call, that you call me on the phone, schedule an email, send me an email, whatever it is, because I will tell you, one of the things that I pride myself on here for being a realtor is communication. Because if you can't get a hold of your realtor 24/7, then that's not the realtor for you, guys. You're looking for somebody who has knowledge of the area, 51 years, almost 52, and who has extensive knowledge about all of the school districts, if that's your thing, also the locations and the builders and the price points that you want to be at. So make sure that you reach out to me so I can make sure that your transition to the San Antonio metropolitan area is super smooth. So probably the biggest perk about living here in Legacy at Lake Dunlap is the waterfront access. Guys, if you like kayaking, if you like fishing, swimming, skiing, boating, or just looking at the water, then this is the place for you. I mean, who doesn't like that? So yes, not only do you get it here in your own neighborhood, but you're also close to Canyon Lake. You're also close to Lake McQueenie, where the ski lodge is. So there's so many options if you are an outdoor enthusiast here in this neighborhood. They've got walking trails, clubhouses, swimming pools, everything that you would want to make sure that you can have a great time with your family, or if you're retired, or if you're just looking to make a move. Make sure you call me. Okay, this first home that I'm going to show you is a Toll Brothers home, and it is gorgeous. It starts at about $675,000. It has 3,900 plus square feet. You're going to see it is 2-story, but it has 4 en suites, which means it has a bedroom connected to a bathroom. So you're gonna see that. It has a theater room, it has a study. It is just gorgeous. One of the bedrooms is downstairs. We're gonna show you that. And then of course I'll take you upstairs. So let's go see this gorgeous home. This is the Toll Brothers home that I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna go and take a look. And again, this is at Legacy at Lake Dunlap. Let's go inside and see what this house has to offer. You can see here when you walk in, it's got a covered little front porch area. Really cute. Love that. Nice custom door. They do have 20-foot ceilings in here, so that's gonna be something that you're gonna want to see. Let's go see it. All right. Right when you walk in here, you can see, first of all the natural light, the beautiful upstairs banister. Oh, imagine prom pictures, wedding pictures, gorgeous. 20-foot ceilings with beams. So you're gonna come straight in here to the left. We've got a bedroom. This is the bedroom that's downstairs. Look at those high ceilings, nice architecture, very pretty. And there you can see is the bathroom with a large, tall walk-in shower, tiled, custom upgrades. And look at this closet. Very nice. So that is your bedroom downstairs. And then here we have a half bath. You know, so your guests don't have to use the private bedrooms, which is nice. Here we've got a double door entry to a beautiful study office area. We'll keep coming. We'll go upstairs in just a second. Look at this laundry room, med area, access to the garage, 3-car garage. I love that the laundry room in every Toll Brothers home here, they have enough space for an extra refrigerator, and who doesn't need that? All right, coming into the main living area. Look, I'm gonna pan around, let you see huge island slash bar, dining area, lots of windows. And then I'm gonna come around here. You can see we've got a nice modern fireplace. It's beautiful. Let's go here. We've got our huge primary vaulted ceilings with a beam suite. Ah, gorgeous. Standalone tub. There's one vanity. Look at the shower. Very nice. Toilet area. Really large walk-in closet. And of course the second vanity. So that is your primary master suite, which is on the first floor. We're gonna come through here. And I didn't get to show you this, but look at this large pantry, guys. Oh my gosh. Large pantry, custom cabinets all the way up. The storage is huge. There's the bar slash island, large open farmhouse kitchen, and your dishwasher. Come over here. This is one of the things I love. It's got a huge buffet area. I can see lots of food there for Thanksgiving. Open floor plan. Got to show you outside, of course. This is especially here at the lake. And come out here. We've got a beautiful covered porch. And we come here, we've got a sitting area. And then to the right, we've got an outdoor kitchen. So pretty. Not a huge yard, but enough. So you see upstairs, that's where we're headed now. So we can see the remainder of the bedrooms and open space. As we come up the stairs, you can see here, we've got a hallway. Look at those chairs, love them. Nice flex space, little bar area. Then we've got our theater room. Wow. Come over here, we've got a full shower, tub, bedroom. And then come down this hallway and we've got our last bedroom. Just gorgeous. And they have their own beautiful shower, vanity. So again, this is a Toll Brothers Starts at 675 and has a little under 4,000 square feet. All right, guys, it is windy and it is sunny out here at Legacy and Lake Dunlap, and it is beautiful. So the house I'm going to show you now is a Pulte home, and I very rarely show Pulte homes because you don't see them that often. So I'm super excited to show you this home. So this builder is a little bit more affordable than some of our others here in this neighborhood, which makes me happy because that means that Legacy at Lake Dunlap has a price point for everybody. So if you really want to have waterfront access, and I've got some drone footage that is going to be in here so you can see that. It's going to be awesome. But if that's what you're looking for, then this is definitely the neighborhood. Reach out to me, we'll make it happen. Okay, so this home is about 3,700 square feet. You can get a Pulte home here for about 400,000, and then this one is about 550,000, and it's gorgeous. So I'm excited to go show you this. Let's go look. Okay guys, here's the Pulte home. We're gonna go inside and take a look. You can see the architecture. I love the high peaks of the ceiling. We're gonna go in here. There's your Pulte Homes. Nice covered area, really pretty door. As you walk in here, you can just see right away, you've got the upstairs banister. Here, we're gonna come to our right. We've got a double door that leads to our study office area. And then here we have a half bath, super cute hallway closet. Gotta have that. And here's your stairway, and we'll go up there in a second. But I wanted you to see the beautiful open floor plan that they offer. Very nice. Island bar. So this place is a gas community. So Legacy is definitely a gas community. Love the gold hardware. You've got the sink in the island, dishwasher, and storage. And you come back here, you've got a little mud area, access to your garage, and here is your laundry room. So the laundry room's on the first floor. Very nice. Let's check out the pantry. Nice large pantry. Not a walk-in, but it's nice and large. Let's go see here. Nice covered sitting area in the back. Very pretty. Got a little fire pit area over there. Very nice. So we're gonna come in here to the primary suite. Walk in, you've got a huge walk-in closet right here to the right. Really pretty windows. Architecture on the ceiling. Love that. Coming into the primary bath, you can see right off the bat, we've got a shower, standalone tub, dual vanities, toilet area, another closet. Yes, keep it separate. Very nice. Love that the primary suite is on the first floor. Those of us whose maybe knees don't work as well. And the laundry room is on the first floor as well. Come back through here. We're gonna go up the stairway. Carpet on the stairs. And we come to, so I'm gonna pan around and just kind of show you. We've got 2 bedrooms over there. Little stairway up here to a flex space. Love that. Here we come into a theater room. We have a closet for storage. Come over here. We've got a bedroom here. A bedroom here. And a bedroom here. And here we've got our shared 2 vanity bathroom with a shower tub combo. Very pretty. So this Pulte home has about 3,700 square feet. Starts at about 475,000. This one's about 550,000, and it is just gorgeous here in Legacy at Lake Dunlap. I really hope that you've enjoyed our tour of Legacy here at Lake Dunlap. I know I have. It is a beautiful place. Super excited that I got to show these homes to you. If you want to call me, if you want to reach out to me, I would love to help you. And I am so excited to meet you. See you in Texas, y'all.